at least.
You've got another shed.
Well, and Robert's became a bloody
No matter how many sheds you have,
he was storing all his kit there.
Oh, thank you, man.
I'm surprised. I'm genuinely shocked that you got that barn cleared out. That was probably your, despite getting the house done, that was probably your biggest achievement ever.
I think if we put the rotator back on loose and put the pull down and make sure everything rotates.
You really need to manage to pull the hut.
We couldn't get a roof tiles out of the fly. Oh, Mr. Lee was bought his tiles. He said, what?
Yeah. It's 17 mils square.
I didn't bring the tap and dies there.
I wouldn't call it super.
Very, very easy. You'll need
It's marvellous up there.
What your hands on?
Of course, ZBA gets the bleeding grease.
Why brushing, Mike?
Yeah, we'll do it.
I don't know if you noticed, Peter, but there were packing washers underneath two of the bolts, I think.
It's just last time I used that phone.
Yeah.
Now when he came over, he brought one like that, which he to show his
Put a hard head on or put that away.
yeah, that's when I
on the whole thing, but
Stop!
centre it, try to push it that way a bit.
Shall we go so we've got diagonal on the bolts to try and lift it with two?
That's how Chris did it, didn't he?
Yeah, so go a little bit more, same direction.
You've got quite a gap in
Just a little bit more, Rog, same way.
Can you see? You've got quite a...
Say when to stop, Sonny.
So
You can't undo that bolt.
back 3 degrees if you
Just
can.
back 3 degrees.
Thank you.
Don't start singing.
That'll do.
I'm sorry, Rob.
Right, thanks guys.
You did think to undo the bolt, didn't you? That one.
Yeah, we took that out.
Just stand by your bed now for a little while, Roger. We just
He
got to
can
move
come
some
back out
nuts
if he
and
wants for a little while. We've got some tweaking. It's not looking good at the
bolts.
moment.
Did we forget that?
What?
No. Oh.
No, me and Peter had already done.
Yeah. Work it, work it.
The nice thing about a tilt plate is you can actually set it so it looks right here, can't you? Yeah. You haven't got to worry about by the time the weight gets on it, have you? That's
Right, we're on there, boys.
We can get it down a bit, yeah.
No. This thing around. Goes on here. I mean the turnbuckles aren't a bad idea, but we're not using them so. Because the thing to do is to get someone on each end, lift it, put it on, and let it drop on the roof.
Yeah. You're going to lift it slightly above horizontal.
Yeah, yeah. To tension the rope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's space, that's space.
No, they've not gone there. How much do you need, Peter? Yeah, I wouldn't.
Have you got a couple?
Do that again because I didn't have a loop on mine.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
We've got enough so watch him, he'll get you. He'll bun you with that thing.
Right. I would like to point out the heat off of the end of this gun.
Yeah, that's what we were just talking about.
That's really
I'll send
cool,
the detail. I said it's cheap as well.
Is it? Yeah.
Right at the moment, they're going the wrong way, which is what we
Yeah,
want.
what you want.
Right, so we need some more tension on that.
That should be horizontal, wouldn't it?
Get your limbo mode on there.
Just show them chicken, Peter, in this crowd. Peter, did you do that?
No, Mark.
Mark did that.
Mark, come and do this.
Was the navigation light?